Hey everyone, you might have watched many videos on the same topic, but today I'm going to share my own experience and observation as I take online English classes. Learning English not only boosts your confidence but also brings plenty of career opportunities to you. I have seen people, despite of being knowledgeable, despite of having so much of experience, they are not able to go to higher level in their career and in their lives. And the reason is this one thing that drags them behind. So if you are someone who wants to learn English from the beginning, from scratch, this video is not for you. You can click here and watch this video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons, or probably you can say the mistakes that you're making due to which your English is not improving. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English grammar, work from home, parenting, personality development and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Before I begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me ask you a question. Have you set any time limit for yourself? I met many people who would say 4 years back that they want to speak fluent English, and after 4 years also they still say they want to speak fluent English. I mean, 4 years, more than sufficient time to learn any language. I can tell you from my own experience, if you can write English properly, to get fluent, you just need 3 months. But you need to follow the right strategy. So the choice is yours. Either you keep on saying that I want to learn English, I want to speak fluent English for years, or set a time limit for yourself. Set a target that this is the time I'm going to give to this language. Within this time, I'm going to reach to a certain level, and I am going to do it with consistency. Being consistent is very, very important here. Before moving on to second point, I have something to share with you all. If you know anyone who is in 9th or 10th class, especially from Maharashtra board, Unacademy is offering a very reasonable package in just ₹99 per month for all 9th-10th students, where they are going to give you live lectures. You can learn all subjects in Hindi, English or Marathi language. In case you miss those live lectures, you can get access to the recorded lessons later on. So even if you are not from Maharashtra board, I think you can avail the benefit, because the topics for the 10th class especially are almost same everywhere. So to avail this benefit, you have to use this code given here. No one is asking you to learn gerunds, infinitives, direct, indirect. To speak fluent English, you don't have to master grammar, but definitely you should learn some basic concepts like tenses, prepositions. When you speak, to gain that confidence, you should have clarity about tenses, preposition. Now, by having clarity of tenses doesn't mean learning tenses structure. It means you must know where to use which tense correctly. Number 3 is extremely important and very common mistakes. Suppose you're learning English from me and you have a habit of using do with he. So you always say he do not understand. Now I have told you once that we do not use do with he, we use does with he, and we say he does not understand. I can remind you 4 times, 5 times, but if still you keep on repeating the same mistake, you will never improve. It's okay to make mistakes, but it is very important to learn from those mistakes and improve yourself. I still remember when I was a child, no one taught me the correct pronunciation of these 2 words. I would often say lion and sharpener. But when I entered college, when I discovered the correct pronunciation of these 2 words, thereafter I have never mispronounced these words. This is how I have improved my English. Trust me, if you are a good listener, you can improve faster. The only thing is you have to listen actively. Suppose you like to listen to someone who speaks good English and who is easy to understand. Now what you have to do is try to observe the kind of sentence he or she makes, the way he or she frames sentences, the words he or she is using. Pause, stop, go back, observe, and then try to bring it in your own conversation. So when you're listening to anyone, listen actively, listen to learn English, not for the sake of just listening. The last one is not mistake, actually it's a blunder. So you see someone who is better than you in speaking English and you start comparing yourself. See, the honest comparison would be when you start comparing your efforts to that person's efforts, your journey to that person's journey. Then this would be healthy comparison. While learning this language, if you are ashamed of yourself, you will not be able to grow. So if you want to compare, then compare in a healthy way. Ask that person how was his journey and try to learn from it. At last, I would want to say, if you're actually serious about this language, if you really want to learn this language, you have to do 3 things. The first one is set up some time limit for yourself. Second one is find a good mentor, good classes or any application where you want to learn. And third one is put equal efforts with your mentor or that application. So that time should be your golden period, which you should utilize a lot. That's it for today. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment box and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me.